how to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. So what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram. You then want to go to the bottom right hand corner and go to your profile. And then once you are here, you want to go to the top right hand corner and then go over to settings. Inside of settings, you should find restricted accounts. Now in restricted accounts, what you can actually do is choose people who you don't want to see your posts, but you don't want to block them, so you can read more about it. Here, you can then click continue, and you can then search for people who you don't want to see your posts. So here, I can just search for anyone, and then I can just go ahead and restrict them if I wanted to, and that way they wouldn't be blocked, but they still wouldn't be able to see my Instagram post. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.